Hi, let's take our first look at RStudio. You have to install R in order to use RStudio, but we'll never actually be opening it. RStudio is a skin for R. It allows you to have an interactive interface that's actually a lot easier to use and provides you with a window for output. So when you want to begin a new program in R, you actually want to open RStudio. RStudio is open source and it has a lot of packages. Before you can actually use any of the packages, the first time you're going to have to install them. We're going to be using the package ggplot2. Because I had previously installed ggplot, it didn't take very long for me to install it because all RStudio did was install updates. For you, if this is the first time you've installed ggplot2, it may take a few minutes to download everything. ggplots comes with a lot of tools, and it also comes with some pre-built datasets. One of the popular datasets is mtcars. Let's take a look at what mtcars has for us. Before we can actually go into mtcars, we have to tell R that we want to look in our library at what ggplot2 has for us. To do this, we type library and see how RStudio knows where we're going with this and gives us suggestions. And then in this parentheses, I'm going to type in ggplot2. To run a line of code, you can either click on the button that says run, or you can hold down Control and hit enter. Now let's take a look at our mtcars data. To do this, I need to type the word data, and then within a set of parentheses and within quotation marks, type mtcars. Now, how did ggplot know that I was looking for mtcars? Where did it come from? It came from that ggplot2 library. Notice that once I've called it out and said I want to use mtcars, I now have it over here. When I click on mtcars, I can actually see the data set. Let's say instead I want to look at a summary of the data set rather than the raw data. To do this, I'm going to use the command summary and then typing the name of the data set into that set of parentheses. Then hitting Control Enter or using the Run button, I get a summary of the data. I see each of the variables in that data set. I also see the range, min and max, the quartile breakdown, and the mean for each of the variables. Next week, we're going to start building data visualizations in R using RStudio with the ggplot arguments that we overviewed in the ggplot cheat sheet. This week, I just need you to get this far. For your assignment, please submit a screenshot of your RStudio interface after you get to this point. It's okay if I see evidence that things didn't work out perfectly on the first attempt. What I'm interested in is seeing that you have 3 correct lines of code eventually, that you were able to produce the summary, that you have mtcars in your environment that you're working from, and that this is your work on your computer because R will recognize files that it believes you want to save data sets in. As you're working, let me know if you have any problems or questions.